Fraxinus Griffithii, a gardener's guide. Hi there, Ferbvu here. As a botanist with a passion for unique trees, I've fielded a lot of questions about the fascinating Fraxinus Griffithii. This magnificent ash, native to the Himalayas, boasts stunning foliage and a resilient nature. Let's delve into some common inquiries about this arboreal wonder. What is Fraxinus Griffithii? Fraxinus Griffithii, also known as the Chinese flower ash or the Griffith's ash, is a deciduous tree belonging to the Oleaceae family. It thrives in the mountainous regions of China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar, where it can reach heights of up to 80 feet, 24 meters. This ash is known for its beautiful, pinnate leaves. Each leaflet is a glossy, deep green, with a distinctive serrated edge. In spring, the tree erupts in a breathtaking display of fragrant, white panicles, clusters of flowers, adding a touch of elegance to any landscape. How does Fraxinus Griffithii differ from other ash trees? While Fraxinus Griffithii shares some characteristics with its North American counterparts, like the common ash, Fraxinus excelsior, there are key distinctions. Flowering. Unlike most North American ash trees, Fraxinus Griffithii boasts fragrant flowers, making it a standout for ornamental purposes. Leaf shape. The Chinese flower ash has a more delicate, pinnate leaf structure compared to the broader, single leaflets of many North American ash species. Climate tolerance. Fraxinus Griffithii thrives in cooler, mountainous regions, while many North American ash trees are better suited to temperate climates. Pest and disease resistance. The Chinese flower ash demonstrates a higher resistance to certain ash tree diseases, such as emerald ash borer, a major threat to North American ash populations. Can I plant a Fraxinus Griffithii in my yard? The suitability of Fraxinus Griffithii for your garden depends on your climate. This tree prefers cool summers and moist, well-drained soil. It struggles in hot, humid environments and areas with persistent drought. Here are some factors to consider. Climate zone. Fraxinus Griffithii flourishes in USDA hardiness zones 5 to 7, which means it can withstand winter temperatures down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit -29 degrees Celsius. Sunlight. This ash thrives in full sun but can tolerate some afternoon shade, particularly in hotter climates. Space. Remember, this tree can grow quite tall, so ensure you have ample space in your yard to accommodate its mature size. How do I care for Fraxinus Griffithii? Once you've determined that Fraxinus Griffithii is a good fit for your garden, here are some essential care tips. Watering. Water your young tree regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. As it matures, it becomes more drought-tolerant but will still appreciate occasional deep watering. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage healthy growth. Pruning. Prune young trees to develop a strong structure. Mature trees require minimal pruning, but you can remove dead or diseased branches as needed. What are the benefits of planting Fraxinus Griffithii? There are several advantages to incorporating Fraxinus Griffithii into your landscape. Ornamental value. The combination of beautiful foliage and fragrant flowers makes this a visually stunning addition to any garden. Shade provider. As the tree matures, it offers welcome shade during hot summer months. Wildlife habitat. Fraxinus Griffithii attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy ecosystem. Potential disease resistance. This ash's resistance to some common ash tree diseases makes it a potentially valuable selection for areas affected by such problems. Are there any potential drawbacks to planting Fraxinus Griffithii? While a beautiful tree, Fraxinus Griffithii does have some limitations. Size. This is a large tree, so ensure you have the space to accommodate its mature height and spread. Leaf litter. Expect a significant amount of leaf litter in fall, requiring regular cleanup. Potential invasiveness. In some regions, Fraxinus Griffithii may become invasive if not monitored. Check with your local authorities regarding planting restrictions. Conclusion. Fraxinus Griffithii is a captivating tree with a unique combination of beauty and resilience. By understanding its requirements and potential drawbacks, you can decide if this magnificent ash is the perfect addition to your garden. If you have further questions or require specific advice for your location, consulting with a local nursery or arborist is highly recommended.